Good morning, Eastview. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Welcome back. We are in our last full week of distance learning, so excited about that. We're going to finish strong. We've got a funny QOD involving our little robots and programming today. And then we got our challenge. I want to set this up from the start that the Java drawing today should be more on the challenging side. I want to see exactly how far you can get. So in the Google Classroom, it's right here. It just says Java drawing. You'll click this, open up the document, and the link is right here. You're trying to see, well, how far can I go? Some of you may just do the first lesson today. We got about 25 to 30 minutes. Many of you will go straight to the drawings, especially if you guys did like Code Combat last week. This shouldn't be too difficult for you guys. But make sure you're watching the videos as you're going through each one of these. This website does a great job of having help and support. But again, take it as a challenge today. That's what I'm really trying to find out. And you'll notice in the feedback, remember, I said this last week, and I'm saying it again, part of your grade is going to be for giving me the feedback. This is so important. I really want to know, for you, what level of difficulty was it, and how far were you able to get in the 25 to 30 minutes? So take it as a challenge. Don't freak out. Do the best you can. And I really look forward to seeing your feedback. And keep in mind, what you're learning here today, if you gain these skills and you keep going, there are excellent jobs that require these skills that you guys eventually, over time, would be able to get. So it's super useful as well. All right, guys, good luck. I'll see you in Zoom tomorrow.